Okay, so it's just a quick demonstration video to show how the Sleuthtek GPS app works on an Apple iPhone. So once you have it downloaded on the phone, you click on the app, which is right here. It's going to pull it up. You fill in your username and password. For this one, it's a demonstration. We've got info at Sleuthtek. Tech.com. Password is 123456. 123456. Done. And it opens up the app for you. Now once the app is open, you can see it's basically on a global Google map. Click on the menu in the top left corner, and then you gotta click on the groups, and you gotta click vehicle one, which is a vehicle that we put in there for demonstration purposes. And then it's going to pull up the vehicle and show you exactly where it's at right now. So as you can see right there, that's where the vehicle's at. You can zoom in. You can zoom out as far as you want. You can change the map. This is called the hybrid map. It's basically a satellite with all the pictures over it. Click there and you can change it to a normal map. And now you can see it's basically just on a normal Google map. Let's take it back to hybrid. Go, zoom back in. Okay, now if you want to check the history where it's been today, for example, click on the menu tab again, go to history, and now you just change these values here. It's from and to, so this is the current time, 2:21. Let's click here and change that. We'll just change that to AM, so that'll give us 2:21 AM to 2:21 PM today. Hit show history. Oh, I'm going to select device first, and it's telling you because I didn't select the device. Please select device. There you go. Selected device. Everything's still right. Okay, now it's showing you the history where it's been. That's a graph how fast it was driving. These are all the points where it was at along the way. If you go over here, you can hit map, and it's going to show you the history on a map where it's been. Now, if you zoom in, you'll see little spots here that's a P showing where it was parked or where it stopped, and it's a little blue line right there that you can see you can change that color of that line when you go to the actual desktop version of this, and you can change all kinds of different things. The color of the line is one of them, so you can see it better. And you'll see there you can just follow it down the street, so you can see exactly where it went today. Go out and go back in right there, and you can see right here is where it parked and stopped, right here at our storefront. Now let's go back to close that out. Just hit the X here. That will close that out. Hit the X to close out the history, and you're back to where it's at right now. Now if you go over here to the menu again, there's several different things you can do in here. One is the setup. You can set up different units of distance, capacity, altitude, if you want it in miles or kilometers, gallons or liters, and so on. The time zone that you're in, you click right there to do that. As you can see, it's already correct, so I'm not going to change that. And that's about it. It's very simple, straightforward, easy to use. And as you can see, it works perfectly on an Apple iPhone. And then when you want to log out, just click the log out button. It's going to ask you, sure you want to log out? Click yes, and you're back to the home screen again.